Hello, and welcome to Learn English Now. Today, we have a very special lesson focused on helping you improve your English speaking skills with one of the most important topics, phrasal verbs. Phrasal verbs are everywhere in daily English, and if you want to sound natural and fluent, mastering them is a must. You are doing great by deciding to practice with phrasal verbs, so keep going. In this lesson, we're going to practice the most used phrasal verbs with real-life examples. We will use the shadowing technique so you can repeat after me and improve your speaking fluency. Remember, do not worry about mistakes. Just keep trying and speaking out loud. You can do this. Let's start by understanding what phrasal verbs are. A phrasal verb is a verb combined with a preposition or adverb, which creates a new meaning. For example, turn off means to stop something from working, like turning off a light. Now, let's practice. Repeat after me. I turn off the lights at night. Great job. Let's try another. She looks after her younger brother. Excellent. Keep practicing, and you will sound more natural every day. Section 1. About phrasal verbs with get. Get up means to wake up and leave the bed. Now, say this. I get up early every morning to go for a run. Pause. Now try saying, he got up late yesterday and missed the bus. Awesome work. Remember, get down means to dance or enjoy yourself. Try this phrase. They got down at the party last night. Section 2. Phrasal verbs with take. Take off means to remove something or when a plane leaves the ground. Repeat. Please take off your shoes before entering the house. Now, the plane took off at 8 a.m. Great. Next, take care means to look after someone or something. Try this. I will take care of your plants while you are away. Perfect. Keep that confidence. Section 3. Phrasal verbs with look. Look for means to search. Say, I am looking for my keys. Good. Look forward to means to be excited about something. Repeat. I am looking forward to the weekend. Fantastic. Let's add more examples. She looks after the kids every day. Keep going. You're doing amazing. Section 4. Phrasal verbs with bring and put. Bring up means to mention a topic. Try this. He brought up an important issue during the meeting. Now, put off means to delay something. Repeat. Don't put off your homework until the last minute. Very good. Here's another. She put on her jacket because it was cold. Great. Section 5. Customer service situation. When you call customer service, you can use phrasal verbs to explain your problem simply. For example, my internet keeps going out. This means it stops working. Try repeating that. My internet keeps going out. Fantastic. Speaking exercise 1. Context. You are at a coffee shop ordering your drink. Instructions. Use at least 3 phrasal verbs you learned today to order your drink and explain your preferences. Ideas to help. Mention if you want the drink to be put together in a specific way, take away, or stay in. Say if you want the drink heated up or if you want to cut back on sugar. Pause now. Take 2 minutes to speak out loud. Here's an example answer. Hello. I would like to order a coffee. Could you put together a latte with less sugar? I want to take it away because I need to go to work. Also, please heat it up well because I like it hot. Thank you. Well done. Keep practicing these expressions to sound natural. Speaking exercise 2. Context. You are explaining a problem with your phone to a friend. Instructions. Describe what is wrong and how it happened using at least 3 phrasal verbs. Ideas to help. Say if your phone turned off suddenly, if you looked for a solution online, or if you had to bring it up with technical support. Pause now. Take 2 minutes to speak out loud. Example answer. My phone turned off unexpectedly yesterday. I looked for a way to fix it online, but I couldn't find any good advice. So I brought it up with the technical support team today, and they are helping me solve the problem. You are improving so much. Remember, practicing every day really helps. Little by little, you are getting better and your speaking will become more natural. Keep speaking with confidence and don't give up. Thank you for joining Learn English Now today. Keep practicing these phrasal verbs and try to use them in your daily conversations. You can do this. See you next time for more fun and useful English practice. Goodbye.